3D dual brush. Is one end is 100% Kolonski's is hair, so you can use it for 3D acrylics using acrylics and monomer methods. And then also this is the silicone like special solid. It designed for 40 gel, omega gels, and 5D gels. And I'm going to show you how you do it. So here's this omega gel. Is so solid. You not only use it for just is tip extensions, and also it can create so many fun cute nail arts. Like you can use it for applying the 3D pointed back crystals, charm and chains. It'll keep it like this. I don't think you can even move or pick at them. You might break your nails before you can pick it, you know, all of them. So it's really nice and solid. So what I'm gonna do, all you need is using the backs of the tip, like right in the wells of the tip, pick up the smaller beads of the omega gels. Okay, and we're gonna using, you don't have to, it's just option, but I love it because then it's helped me kind of a spreading, like you are spreading a cream cheese. It's just funny that I'm always thinking of food. And so then that way make sure that it had, you know, meets every single edges of the underneath the tip. And if you pay attention, you don't have to etch a tip. There are no dust and no extra work and no accident. Oh, I'm thinning too much, you know, you don't have to worry about that. You see that how it's nice and it's even now. It kind of spread it out. So I'm gonna do one nail first, and then we're gonna do the rest of them, spreading out omega gel before I place them on. So again, you don't have to do the flash here, but I'm gonna flash here right here. You don't have to hold on to it. So I'm gonna placing 45 degree. The reason it is so then it's not gonna push all of your omega gels back to the cuticles, and then let's go off the tip. How cool is that? Because normally you're probably gonna hold on to this and flash here at the same time, or else is gonna pop up because it's so slick and it's just, you know, like falling off. So with omega gel, it give you really is a great consistency. So then you can let go of a tip just in case it's this size a little bit crooked to the right. I can just gently shift it to the left and look over it and make sure they are good and straight and even, to avoiding all crooked nails. Then you can go ahead and press gently, final, like all the way down. That's it. That's all you need to do. Let's see how it's going from the sideward to the sideward, and then now you can be able to adjusting it accordingly. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and here, flash here, 10 seconds.
Yep, and just remember, this step is absolutely optional. We just want to do that so the nails won't move crazy. But yeah, you don't have to. You can just keep that directly.
So I am going to do like 2 nails, the thumb first, and then usually I do 2 thumbs separate, and then I do the rest of them. So then that way the thumbs will have its own attention and get cured properly. And also you can do another one on the next nails.